Hey guys, winter is here and it is freezing out there, right? But guess what? I've got the perfect remedy. We're talking about Ash Reshteh. It isn't just a thick, super yummy stew, it's like a warm hug in a bowl.
But we're not just making a recipe today. Oh no, we're going all in. We're diving deep into everything from pro-cooking hacks and AI analysis to modern nutrition science, ancient Iranian wisdom, and Islamic insights that make this dish so special.
So that's the big question, right? How can one soup be all of these things at the same time? A recipe, a whole science lesson, and a tradition. It's kind of wild when you think about it. So let's get into it and find out together. Okay, besties, let's get this party started. We're gonna make the perfect ash. And I'm talking the real deal, home-style version that's super thick and just gives you all the cozy winter vibes. First up, the ingredients for about 6 to 8 servings. We've got our legumes, a ton of fresh greens, the reshteh noodles, and of course, kashk. That's the fermented whey that gives it that signature tangy kick. And check this out. Each ingredient has a mizaj, or temperament. It's this amazing old-school Iranian idea about balancing hot and cold foods to keep your body in harmony, which is so important in winter. This soup is legit a masterclass in that. Okay, listen up, because these are the pro tips that'll make or break your ashu. Soaking your beans overnight is a must. Trust me, it helps with, digestion and all that. And don't just throw all the beans in at once. Cook them separately so they all get the perfect texture. Oh, and be super careful with the dried mint. It fries in literally seconds and can get bitter fast. And once those noodles are in, you gotta keep stirring, or it's gonna turn into a gloopy mess.
All right, ready for the steps? It's super easy. Step 1, build your base with the cooked legumes. Step 2, add all those yummy greens. Pro tip, leave the lid a little open to keep the color bright and fresh. Step 3 is the noodle drop. Add them in slowly and don't stop stirring. And for the finale, step 4, the flavor bomb. Mix in the kashk, season it up, and boom, you've got a bowl of pure, delicious comfort.
So we've just covered the traditional art of making Ash Reshteh. But what happens when this ancient recipe meets 21st century technology? Let's take a closer look and, as the slide says, geek out a bit on the future of food.
It might sound surprising, but artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we understand nutrition. AI can scan the ingredients of a recipe like this and provide an incredibly detailed analysis. It can even suggest optimizations, blending traditional knowledge with modern science. For example, confirming the health benefits of specific herbs that have been used for centuries. And when we apply AI to analyze this dish, the nutritional profile is truly impressive. A single serving presents a remarkable balance of macronutrients. You're looking at complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, a substantial amount of plant-based protein, and healthy fats. It is, quite simply, a complete and balanced meal in one bowl. Now, let's focus on the fiber content, which is particularly noteworthy. A single bowl can contain between 10 to 15 grams of dietary fiber. And why is this so important? Well, this high fiber content promotes satiety, meaning it helps you feel full and satisfied. It's also crucial for digestive health, helping to regulate blood sugar and nourish the beneficial bacteria within your gut. And these benefits are well supported by modern scientific research. The combination of legumes is known to help lower LDL cholesterol, contributing to better heart health. The kashk, being a fermented product, is a natural source of probiotics, supporting gut health, and the rich array of herbs provides a potent dose of antioxidants, which are vital for bolstering your immune system, especially during the colder months. This is something you can explore yourself. With modern AI tools, you can input a prompt just like the one you see here. By asking it to cross-reference the ingredients with principles of Persian naturopathy, you can uncover fascinating connections between ancient wisdom and contemporary nutritional science. It's a powerful way to understand your food on a much deeper level. In many ways, modern science is simply validating the profound knowledge that has been passed down through generations. This dish isn't just about sustenance, it's a form of medicine. So let's explore the deep-rooted wisdom from Iranian traditional medicine and Islamic teachings that is present in every single bite. The concept of mizaj, or temperament, is a cornerstone of Iranian traditional medicine, famously detailed by the Persian physician Avicenna. The core principle is that foods possess inherent qualities: hot, cold, wet, or dry. The art of cooking, then, is to combine these foods to balance the body's own state, promoting harmony and health, particularly in response to the season. And Ash Reshteh is a perfect example of this principle in action. On one hand, we have ingredients with warming properties, like chickpeas and turmeric, which are ideal for combating the winter cold. On the other, ingredients like lentils and spinach provide a cooling, balancing effect.
The final dish is a masterful synergy, designed to warm the body from within without creating an imbalance.
The spiritual dimension of this dish is also deeply significant. Many of its fundamental ingredients are mentioned in the Quran as blessings. This particular verse from Surah al-Baqarah highlights herbs, garlic, lentils, and onions, all of which are essential components of our soup today. In addition to the Quran, the Hadith, the recorded traditions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also speak to the virtues of these foods. Lentils, for instance, are noted for their ability to soften the heart. The overarching principle is the consumption of tayyib foods, those that are pure, wholesome, and beneficial for both the physical body and the spiritual self.
Whoa! Okay, so after all that, what's the ultimate takeaway? It's pretty clear that Ash Reshteh is way more than just a soup. It's like a whole experience, connecting you to culture, science, and spirituality all in one bowl. So let's break it down. Ash Reshteh is legit a winter superpower. It's super delicious and gives you all the warm, cozy feels. It's a total powerhouse of plant-based nutrition. It's got that perfect balance of ancient wisdom, and it's a blessed dish that's good for your body and your soul. Like, what more could you possibly want?
It really makes you think, right? Like, what other secrets are hiding in your favorite comfort foods? If you guys loved this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more Persian vibes, and drop a comment below with your fave winter food. Stay warm, guys. Saffron love.